क्या कह दूँ ऐसा कि तुम्हारा जीने का दिल करे। क्या कह दूँ ऐसा कि तुम्हारा जीने का दिल करे कि तुम मुस्कुराओ इस मुश्किल सफ़र में कुछ पल मेरे साथ आओ। क्या कह दूँ ऐसा कि तुम्हारा जीने का दिल करे। बस इतना ही कह सकता है मैं प्यार से तो। बस इतना ही कह सकता है मैं प्यार से तो है कि विश्वास है मैं तो पे तेरी हिम्मत आई बिलीव। Hey guys, it's 3 in the afternoon, alright, and I've been going mad today dealing with some bullshit companies, like Sarkari companies, because it's all, even HDFC Bank for that matter. You know, there's been some credit card cash withdrawal from my HDFC credit card in July. On the 7th of July, I've never used my credit card. Like first, I hardly use the credit card until I need to really make a transaction for which I want to use credit, and I always pay on time. And secondly, I've never used my credit card to draw cash. So some cash has been drawn on the 7th of July from my credit card somewhere in Delhi. You know, I don't know, somewhere in Delhi, right? 7th July. I wasn't even in Delhi. I should check my blog. Yeah, I should check my blog for 7th of July. It should tell me where I was. And if I was in Delhi, and there was this very little chance that I could have had drawn cash on my credit card. So I've been trying to... Okay, some call is coming. Yeah, sorry. I mean, there's a call from the cybercrime team in Gurgaon, and he asked my credit card number where the fraud has happened. And now he sent me a complaint number, which I have to go to HDFC branch to kind of like fill some form and tell them that this is a complaint number. I don't know what the hell is happening. So you know, but whenever I get flustered, right, one of the best things I've done in my life, and especially this year, is the tattoos I've gotten, right. And my tattoos lend so much meaning to my life, and my days when I get flustered, when I get like my mind gets fucked totally, like it is right now, after talking half an hour to the Dakshin Haryana Bijli Vitran Nigam. Those guys are so inefficient and ineffective, useless. It's very hard. I mean, the manager I spoke to was still had some sense, and she could still talk properly. I mean, most of these people who are sitting in the customer service desk are absolutely useless. They don't know how to talk. They have no logic in their mind, and they don't give a fuck if they give a resolution. So I spoke to them for half an hour. Then I've been trying to deal with this HDFC card fraud. Somebody withdrawn money from HDFC credit card somehow, and there's a fraud that's happened. So HDFC is trying to fix that right now. So my mind's fucked right now, totally. But that I was saying, like, whenever I get flustered, my tattoos help. So one of the tattoos that I have on my arm, right arm, it says "shouldn't be alive." So I shouldn't be alive. Like, there's this Hollywood actress who died yesterday, and the news was all over the place. She was 36, and she was a child star. Then she became a teenage star, and she was like working all her life in the movie business, and she died at 36. So whenever I get flustered, I eventually tell myself I shouldn't be alive, right? So the good thing that has happened is I got some sleep in the afternoon, because in the morning I got about 6 hours 45 minutes, so that wasn't enough. So I got some sleep in the afternoon. Now I'm going to sit and work down on my laptop. And in the night also stretch tonight, because Mamta is not going to come tomorrow. Otherwise she comes at 9, so I have to schedule my sleep also in a way that I am up before Mamta comes. So she's not going to come tomorrow, she's taking off. So I'll stretch tonight and work to try and do all the pending things that have been pending for a while, as much as possible, right? A lot of shit is pending. Cool. So although I'm a bit flustered in my mind right now, just had chai. But I'll sit on my laptop and work. It's already 3. I don't know what's wrong with this watch. Sometimes like it's supposed to Yeah, it's turned on. It's supposed to turn on when I. It is a sensor. It's supposed to turn on when I raise my arm. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So yeah, it's 3 o'clock. I'm gonna sit and work now. 5 o'clock I have a leg session, Romanian deadlift. Then I have swimming. Cool. That's the plan. It might change. I mean, I'm playing with the calendar all day. I'm gonna keep playing with calendars, stuff I put on my calendar. So my plan may change, but that's the plan for now. All right. Try to be happy, as hard as it may be, and remember that, like, I got this tattoo, right? There shouldn't be a life. It's true for everyone, right? It's true that after all, life, we did not earn life, right? Your parents fucked. I mean, they made love or whatever. They were in love, and you were born, right? Life was always a grant. It was a grant, right? You didn't earn life, so it's not that no matter what happens, you can never be in the loss account, because life was a grant to start with. You didn't earn it, right? It was a grant from nature, right? Cool. So try to be happy. All right, be happy no matter what happens, because life was a grant. It was a free grant. It was just given to us. So it lands in the asset column of your balance sheet and profit column of your profit and loss account. Cool, I'll catch you. Alright guys, I'm at a break between 6 to 7 p.m. I am also doing 7 to 8 p.m. swimming. But there's nobody at the pool right now, so you can see this is the full pool. And there's also badminton area here. People play badminton here. I don't know. I used to play badminton as a child also, but like somehow for years I haven't played badminton and I don't have the charm for it right now, because I have the charm for swimming. So I'm enjoying myself. Today swimming has been really good. Actually my sleep is a key determinator of my energy. So I realized when I have slept well, 8 plus hours, everything goes well. Workouts go well. So I did Romanian deadlifts, 85 kilos, 4 sets. Plus I'm doing 2 sessions of swimming. So it's been a good day. Otherwise, besides work-wise, it was a bit of chaotic. But I'll talk about that later. But for now, I'm just gonna head into the swimming pool in the next 7 minutes, because they take a 10-minute break between every session. So right now I'm taking a break. Cool. I'll catch you guys. ये देखो, ये दूध उबल रहा है. 5 मिनट से खड़ा हूँ, मेरी छाती भी उबल रही है. उबल के राजी नहीं, निकल जाऊँगा यहाँ से हिलने का. चाय भी बन रही है. चाय ऑलमोस्ट बन गई है. चाय फटाफट बन जाती है, इसको मौत आई रहती है. अबे उबल जाओ उल्लू के पट्टे. चाय कट गई ऑलमोस्ट मेरी. द रीज़न आई एम स्टैंडिंग है क्योंकि ये नहीं उबल रहा. चाय उबल चुकी, लेकिन ये नहीं उबल रहा. ये उबल जाएगा तो चाय की उबलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. चाय ऑलरेडी ऑप्टिमल उबल चुकी है, लेकिन ये उबल के राजी नहीं. मौत आ रही है इसको. अभी भी मेरे ख्याल से 3rd गियर पे उबल चुका है ऑलमोस्ट. ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन उठेगा नहीं. पसीना आ रहा है मेरे खड़े हुए रसोई में, लेकिन उबल के राजी नहीं है. ये उबल गई बेचारी. वो कह रही मुझे उतार लो, लेकिन मैं इसी चक्कर में इसको नहीं उतार. आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग, जितनी देर ये उबल रहा है, ये और कट जाए थोड़ी सी. क्या ओपिनियन है आपका? मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ, वीडियो बन नहीं रहा. आई थॉट आप लोग साथ देख लोगे कि उबल जाएगा, लेकिन नहीं उबल रहा. Hey guys, the day review. I just want to get done with it, right? I am at Guftagoo right now. I just got done with the show. My part of the show. The show is on right now. The day is 7 on 10. Alright, there's a lot of chaos I had to deal with today with HDFC Bank. Some credit card fraud has happened on one of my cards, and I'm dealing with the bullshit right now. I had to file a cyber crime complaint. Then I had to deal with Dakshin Bharatiya Bijli Vitran Nigam, who've not been like connecting my bill to my account. So whatever. So some bullshit happening. Like I had to deal with them for like an hour or two in the afternoon, both of them. And so I'll be working late tonight. I scheduled some bunch of work which I'll be working on, which I'm not getting the time to work on during the day. Workout wise, great day. I had I did Romanian deadlifts, 85 kilos, 4 sets. Pretty good form. Great workout. Followed by 2 sessions of swimming. So मुझे जुकाम लग जाता है स्विमिंग करके, ऊपर से बारिश का मौसम हो रहा है. So whatever, that's there, but that's fine. I'm getting better at swimming though, which is great news. So because that's something I've wanted to do all my life. So I'm getting comfortable with the pool now in the water. Cool. So that's largely it. That was my day. I'll just have dinner and go back home and work. That's the plan for now. You have a good day, good night, whatever time you're watching this. Amarwani signing off. Try to be happy. Bye.